Hi, I'm George with Efficient AC Electric and Plumbing in Austin, Texas. Today I'm going to talk about when, if ever, should you close air vents in rooms. So when should you close your air vents in rooms? Never. There, that answers it. We're done. Topic over. Well, not really. Now for the less succinct answer, which leads us to the question, why do you feel you need to do this? Typically, the need arises from a room that's too hot or too cold or a draft. If the room is too hot or cold, the ductwork needs to be assessed. It may be as simple as rebalancing the airflows to the room by using the dampers that are already in the ductwork trunk line, or it may require some duct improvements to achieve a good balance. If it's simply an issue with air direction, maybe air hitting you directly while you're in your favorite recliner, the grill can be adjusted, spun 180 degrees, or replaced with one that diffuses air better. Now back to why not just shut the grill off as a quick, easy solution. Doing so slows the air going through the grill. During the cooling season, this will likely make the grill face colder, perhaps resulting in condensation. A few drips of water on an expensive wood floor, and well, you know the rest. Also, this affects the rest of the rooms and the overall pressure that the system sees. This can result in other unwanted issues over time. Some of you may say that a zone system does just this. Yes and no. Yes, a zone system is designed to be able to regulate and shut off rooms. The key word is designed, including the ductwork and controls. Typically, these systems can also regulate airflow and capacity. No, a standard system and its ductwork are not specifically designed to shut down individual rooms. So in summary, if you're having issues with hot or cold rooms or airflow, don't simply resort to shutting the vent off completely. Also, in terms of electric cost, this will save you little to no money. Heat will just migrate across uninsulated walls and doors. You can use the vent for directional changes, but if the problem is deeper than that, try to solve the problem. My goal in this video was to give an efficient answer to your AC questions. If you have other questions, please leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. And if you are in Central Texas, you can call us to schedule an appointment. Bye now.